Now, I'm going to need some help from everybody here tonight before I start. I'm going to get you to imagine that you're in a rock concert. I'm Angus Young from AC/DC. I don't have the clobber. I'm a bit different in size, but bear with me. So I want you to kind of do the traditional kind of rock and roll. Do your fingers like this, okay? So let's get going. Can I see the fingers? Okay, so I know I asked you to do something with your fingers like that. So it's the traditional rock and roll symbol, which would be your index finger like this, your little finger like this, and your two middle fingers clenched with your thumb. And it's replicated on the other hand as well. It's all wrong. It's okay. It's completely wrong. And I'm going to take you on a little bit of a journey through electromagnetism, how guitars work, how speakers work. We're going to learn about it along the way. I'm going to show you a new way to participate in a concert. So all you beautiful people out there, I'm going to convert this audience. We're going to go to the next audience. We're going to go all the way to Glastonbury. So, and the reason for doing this is that we want to understand basically how this thing I'm holding works. So without an electric guitar, there is no rock and roll. Without rock and roll, there is no life. So, it makes sense that we have to understand how the guitar works. So you see this little thing here in the middle. This is called a pickup, and there's two of these. The guitar is my friend Jacob's guitar. And so to understand what's happening, we have to understand a little bit of electromagnetism. So you were so good for the first bit of participation, I need you again. Your right hand goes up high. Some people got their left and right mixed anyway, but it doesn't really matter. Bear with me. So your index finger goes up. Your second finger goes at 90 degrees to that, and your thumb goes at 90 degrees to that. So now what we've all done right now, as well as looking a bit silly, is we've implemented the right-hand rule. So this was devised by a very clever British engineer. He was the father of electronics, a guy called Sir John Fleming. And he was both an inventor, an engineer, and an educator. And he was devising this to show people how generators work. But surprisingly, this is how electric guitars work as well. So the little dots here are little magnets. What's wrapped around the magnets are wires, and the wires in the guitar, when the string moves in the magnetic field, it generates a current. So that current comes out of the guitar and goes all the way back here to my Marshall amplifier in the back, and that's where the second bit of magic happens. So we've got our right-hand rule. Now I actually need your left hand. Need your left hand up to the sky. Either left hand would be fine, you know what I mean? So the index finger goes up again. Your second finger goes 90 degrees to that, and your thumb goes 90 degrees to that.
We'll have to leave it there, Michael.
Okay.
Sorry. One last riff.
Okay, so that's the left and right hand rule. So let's do that next time we're at a concert. Thanks very much.